Alright, so I've got some notes here today about this Task Force little toolbox. It's just a cheap toolbox. I don't even know where it's from. It was something that was thrown away. Somebody gave it to me. So what was wrong was this bottom drawer got overloaded and all bent out of shape, and it had fallen apart. And so I bent it all back and fixed it, okay? And one of the reasons why is because it's just made out of sheet metal. And so what I did, look in there, I put a piece of wood in the bottom there. Okay, just a 2x6, put it all the way across the bottom. So when this drawer slides in, it's rubbing on that piece of wood there. And I screwed that to the bottom of it. And I lubricated, of course, I lubricated all the rails and everything, and and got all it straightened out. Now, the other thing I will say about this that I'm gonna modify, in which this was already busted, is this handle. I'm gonna have to fix this. If you do any weight or anything on it, you're gonna blow that handle. All right, so the next thing that I did is on these plastic wheels on here, I drilled a hole in each one of them. There it is. I drilled a hole in each one of them, just a small 1/8 hole in each one, and I drilled a hole right there too, and I used this little needle grease gun to shoot grease in there, because these things, they don't have no grease in them. They don't want to turn good. So I greased all the wheels that way, all 4 of them. So there you go. There's a few tips and pointers on your toolbox. Y'all have a good day. Please subscribe.